Hi! Today I will demonstrate how to draw in Krita step by step for your game project. At the end of the video, you will be able to create your own 2D characters and game assets. First, download Krita from krita.org and install the required version. Open up New Project in Krita and click on the horizontal mirror tab to mirror the drawing on both sides of the x-axis. You can use any pencil brush for the sketch of the character. I am using pencil charcoal brush for my drawings. Start by creating a simple line. Our objective is to draw some sort of hat for the character. Don't stress too much and try to sketch as many times as possible till you achieve the required results. Now start sketching the body and eyes of the character while horizontally mirroring the sketch on both sides of the canvas. Now add a new vector layer by clicking on the arrow button right above the brush's presets, and then select the Bezier Curve tool from the tool selection. Choose the color for the outline of the curve and set the size to about 3 pixels. Now outline the hat sketch by point and click on the edges of the sketch. Once you have a basic shape for the hat, it is time to curve and match the sketch of the hat by using the Edit Shape tool. Click on the middle of the curve and drag the anchor points to align with the sketch reference. Now for the body and eyes, add a new paint layer. Select any basic ink brush and choose your color and the size of the brush to about 9.5 pixels while the horizontal mirroring is active. Follow the reference sketch of the body and eyes as closely as possible. It may take multiple attempts to achieve the desired result. After the basic outlining of the character, it's time to fill it with colors. Follow this step carefully. First, choose the hat vector layer, select the color, and then use the Colorize Masking tool to fill up with the color selected. Just simply brush the intersection of the vector layer with the color chosen and use black color for the areas that don't need the color. Now go to the tool option of the Colorize Masking tool, scroll down to keystrokes, select the black color and make it transparent. Update the Colorize Masking tool once done. Repeat the same process for the body and eyes paint layer. First, select the color. Second, go to the Colorize Masking tool and brush the intersection of the body and the eyes with the desired colors and use black color that doesn't need any color. Head toward the tool option of the Colorize Masking, set the keystrokes of black color to transparent and update the masking tool. Once the colorizing of the character process is complete, go creative with the rest of the design. I am using Basic Flow Opacity, Airbrush Soft, and Basic Ink Brush for shading of eyes, body, and hat. Experiment with different brushes to find your art style. I hope you learned something new today. If you find my videos interesting, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up.